Today we're going to be covering disclosures in the system, sending document requests to your borrower, and how to use eSign in the system. I'm going to open up a loan file and go to the Documents menu option. Under the Documents, there are 4 menu options off to the left. Stored. This area allows you to manually add documents to a file, and it's also the area that will hold any borrower documents that they send in and you approve. To manually add documents, you can use the upload icon in the top right, or you can drag and drop a document into the screen area. All of these types of documents are able to be uploaded into the Zenly system. Once you upload a document, this will bring up an upload screen where you can enter the information about the document. The document name and the category are required to ungray the Store button and save the document. You can add other information such as which borrower the document relates to, the prepared date, and a package name that will show up at the top of the upload area. The stored area is grayed out since it will automatically put in the date and time of the upload. Each uploaded document has 3 icons out to the right. The paper icon gives a preview of the document. The down arrow allows you to download the document, and the trash can allows you to delete the document. Any document uploaded by the borrower will only have 2 of these icons. There will not be a trash can icon because you are not able to delete borrower documents once they are approved. Under the Generate menu options, this area allows you to select documents that you would like to preview or save as a PDF. Documents are separated into 3 main areas and a document packages option. To pull up a certain section, select it with the Filter by dropdown. This will bring up all the available documents under that filter. Select the document that you want, and it will add it to the Selected Documents column on the right. You can change the filter and continue to add documents to your package. These documents have a preview icon and a delete icon if you want to remove it from your package. When you're ready to save these documents, you will select the Store button, name the package if you want, or you can skip that part. This will save those documents in the stored area. Then you're able to go and download the documents to send out to your borrowers. If you wanted to send out disclosures for your borrowers to eSign, then you would need to start in the eSign option, click Request eSignatures. You can send documents to anyone who is on the loan or a custom signer. Let's walk through sending out the initial disclosures to our borrowers, and then we'll come back to a custom signer. I'm going to click Next. In this screen, you can select documents that you want to send to your borrower. Documents, again, are separated into 3 main areas and a document packages option. To pull up a certain section, select it with the Filter dropdown, and this will bring up the available documents. Select the documents that you want, and it will add it to the Selected Documents column on the right. Again, you can change the filter and continue to add documents to your package. You can also add in non-calyx uploaded documents per file. You can view the available documents by selecting the Adobe icon. This will show any documents you may have uploaded into this file in the stored area. Only a PDF file will work for eSign when you're using an uploaded document. There was also an option in the dropdown for document packages. These can be pre-made in the Templates menu at the top, and if you select this from the dropdown, it will show all of the pre-selected documents that you picked in your Templates area. When you're finished selecting your documents, you're going to click Next. Each document will be listed and have a Read Receipt checkbox by it and an Edit or Add Signature button. If the read receipt is grayed out, that means that the document already has a signature line in it and is tracked by the evidence summary. If the box is not grayed out, it doesn't have a signature line. But you are able to add a read receipt that will show up in the evidence summary. To add that, you can check the checkbox by the document name. For the non-Calyx uploaded documents, you can add a read receipt as well, and you can also add signatures with the Add Signature button. For these documents, again, if you want to be able to add a signature to it, it will need to be in a PDF format. From the top drop-down, you can select who you're wanting to sign the document. It will have all of your borrowers and your loan originator's name. Out to the right, there's some icons, and if you hover over them, it will tell you what those icons are for. The line icon is the signature. Once you've selected who you want to sign from the drop-down, click the line icon and it will create a box for you, and you can drag this to the place in the document that you would like the signature to appear. If you'd like to add another signature, change the drop-down and select the person you want to sign, and then again click the line icon and it will produce a box. The next icon is a stamp icon, and this will place initials into the document. Next to that is the trash can icon, where you can delete any of your signatures or initial blocks that you've put in the document. The last icon is a book icon. If you select this, it will show each of your borrowers and loan originators and put an arrow if they have a signature block or initial on that document. When you've placed all your signature blocks and initial blocks, click Save at the bottom. We're going to click Next. You will name the package and then click the Request button at the bottom, and this will send out your e-signature documents to your borrower. The screen will now show these documents under Pending, showing the sent information. It also has a resend email button that you can use to resend that email out to your borrower. The borrower will receive an email with a button to go directly to their e-sign documents. The borrower will see all the e-sign packages that they need to sign. They will click the Sign button, and that will bring up 2 security questions for them to answer. This will go to the e-sign disclosure and e-consent document. The borrower will need to check the box saying that they have read and agree and click Accept. If they do not, they will not be able to open and e-sign the documents that you have sent. Each document will appear and allow the borrower to click Sign. After the borrower has completed the e-signatures, it will email the loan originator that the disclosure package is complete. It will also show completed in the Documents e-sign area, and the Documents package will have a paper icon to the far right, and this is where you can download the completed e-sign documents. Let's go back and request an e-sign document from a custom signer. I'm going to select Custom Signer and then click the Add button. You'll enter the name and email for the person that you're wanting to send the document to. And to the right, you'll enter either their cell phone number for them to receive an SMS code, or enter 2 security answers, their birthday, and the last 5 of their social. Then click Save. Click Next at the bottom of the screen. Custom signers are only able to sign non-Calyx uploaded documents, so you'll only see a list of that under Stored Documents. Remember that only PDF documents can be sent out with e-sign. I'm going to select the gift letter that I previously uploaded into the file, and this will put the document on the right side under Selected Documents. When you have all the documents you want to send, click the Next button. And here again, you can add the read receipt or add a signature line to the document. Click Next, and then name your package, and click the Request button at the bottom right. You can also request documents from your borrower under the Request tab. To start a document request, click the plus icon in the top right. Select the document you want to request from the document dropdown. This list of items can be adjusted, or you can add custom items to it. This is in the Templates menu and the drop-down list area. Off to the right, you can also add in notes to the borrower. These could be clarification notes on what you're looking for with the document. If you have more documents you want to request, click the Save and New and repeat the process. If you're done, click the Save and Close. And when you're ready to send the document request email, click the Send button below the Pending Documents list. A Send Documents Request screen will open, and you'll need to select which borrower you're going to send this to from the drop-down. This will auto-populate their email off to the right, and when you're done, click Send. This will send an email to your borrower showing a list of requested documents with a link to upload documents. When the borrower clicks the Upload Documents button in the email, it will take them to a site where they can upload the documents that you've requested. Each item will be listed separately with its own upload button. The borrowers can upload documents from their computer or take pictures from their phone. If the borrower uploads more than one document to a document request item, those documents will be combined into one document inside of Zenly. If the borrower doesn't have all the documents when they're uploading it, they can come back to the same email link and it will show the remaining document requests. The borrower can also create a borrower dashboard by clicking the Create Account button. If the borrower wants to create an account, they'll need to fill out the Create Account screen and sign up. The borrower dashboard will show the status of their loan on the top left and their loan originator information on the bottom left. Over on the right, the borrower can see their to-do list with the items that they need to complete and the completed list that allows them to see and download any documents that they've e-signed. Once the borrower has uploaded the requested documents, the loan originator will receive an email notifying them that a borrower has submitted certain documents. These will be listed in the email. These will show up inside of the file under Documents and Request. Each item needs to be reviewed and either accepted or rejected. If the document is what you are wanting, you can select the Accept button and it will move the document to the completed section and also put it in the stored area. If you did not receive the items that you were wanting or need something else from the borrower, you would click the Reject button. This gives you the opportunity to send another request out to your borrower, and you can update any notes for clarification and click Resend. If you have any questions, please reach out to our customer support at 1-800-342-2599.